Have you ever created some really cool AI art and thought, man, I wish I could sell this? Well, today that's exactly what we're going to break down. This is the complete blueprint. We're talking a step-by-step guide to take one of your ideas and turn it into a real digital product that's live on the internet, ready to make you some money. So, what's the big promise here? It's all about turning your art into an actual asset. This isn't just about making pretty pictures for fun. It's about creating something that can actually earn for you. And the best part? By the end of this, you're going to have a tangible, repeatable process you can use for your next idea and the one after that. Okay, so how are we going to do this? I don't want to just talk theory. We're going to get our hands dirty. We're going to build one single project together from that very first spark of an idea all the way to hitting that glorious publish button. And here it is. This is our project, a 10-pack of Afrofuturist princess coloring pages. Now, by focusing on this one specific example, you're going to learn the entire framework. And you can apply this to literally any digital product idea you come up with later. Doesn't matter if it's wall art, sticker sheets, digital planners, you name it. All right, phase one, we've got to actually create the thing we're going to sell. This is where we take that raw image that comes out of the AI generator and we forge it, we shape it into a professional grade asset that people will be genuinely happy to pay for. So a question I get all the time comes up right about now. You've generated these amazing images. Why can't you just, sell them as they are? And it's a great question, but there is one huge, critical technical problem you have to solve first. And here is that problem in a nutshell. Look at this. The raw image on the left, it looks totally fine on your phone or your computer screen. But, and this is a big but, if a customer buys it and tries to print it out, it's going to be a pixelated, blurry mess. And that, my friends, is a one-way ticket to bad reviews. We need that professional, crisp quality you see on the right. And the way we get that is by upscaling. Now, don't worry, this sounds technical, but it is so easy. You can use a free tool like bigjpg.com. You just go to the site, upload your picture, crank that upscaling setting to 4x, set the noise reduction to the highest it'll go, click Start, and download your brand new print-ready file. That's it. You just do that for all 10 of your coloring pages, and boom, your raw materials are good to go. Okay, now that we have the actual product, let's build your shop's curb appeal. You've got to package it in a way that literally makes people stop scrolling and click that buy button. This is all about your cover art and your sales copy. And please do not underestimate this next part. Your cover image is everything. I mean, everything. Think about it. On Etsy, you're in this endless sea of listings. This one image is your single, solitary chance to grab a customer's attention. It's not just a picture, it's a full-blown advertisement. Okay, so you've stopped the scroll. What's next? They read the title. And this isn't just a creative name for your art, it's an SEO tool. It's a search engine optimization weapon. Following a template like this one ensures that you are stuffing your title with the keywords that real people are actually typing into the Etsy search bar. You're making your product discoverable. So let's see how this works with our project. Afrofuturist Princess Coloring Pages. That's our main keyword phrase. 10-pack printable PDF. That's the product type. Sci-fi coloring book is a secondary keyword. You see, every single part of this title has a job to do. It's all working to get your listing found. The description needs to be just as strategic. You start with a little emotional hook, unleash your creativity. Then, right away, you tell them exactly what they get. Make the process sound ridiculously simple. Purchase, download, print. And finally, you state the terms. This whole structure is designed to answer every question they might have, building that trust and making it a no-brainer to buy. All right, we've got the product, we've got the packaging. Now for maybe the most important number on the whole page, the price. And the key here, the big mindset shift, is to price based on the value you're providing, not the hours you put in. With digital products, it is all about the margin. Now, to take all the guesswork out of this for you, here is a super handy cheat sheet. This is based on what's actually working on the market right now. A single page might just go for $1 or $2, but look what happens when you bundle them. The perceived value just shoots way up. So for our 10-page bundle, $4.99 is the pricing sweet spot. It sits right there at the top of that small bundle range, which kind of signals that it's a high-quality product, but it's still an easy impulse-level purchase for the customer. It's perfect. So with our price locked in, there's only one thing left to do. This is it, the home stretch. This is the final launch sequence. All of our pieces are ready to go, and now we just need to put them all together inside the Etsy Shop Manager and flip that switch to go live. So, you're going to start by zipping up all 10 of your upscaled images into one single zip file. Then you hop in at Etsy, and it's just a checklist. Upload those awesome cover photos you made, paste in that perfect title and description, select digital for the product type, enter that $4.99 price, upload your zip file, add your tags, and then you hit publish.
Oh, and a super quick but really vital note on those tags. Your title is for humans and search engines, but tags are purely for the Etsy search algorithm. They are so important. Etsy gives you 13 slots. Use every single one of them. Think of every possible word someone might search for to find your product, from Afrofuturism to printable wall art to kids' activity. Max them all out.
And just like that, you're live. You're in business. But the real magic here isn't just this one listing. It's that feeling, that realization that you now have a blueprint that you can use over and over again. You've just learned the core skill of a modern digital creator, turning a simple idea into a money-making asset. So really, the only question left is, what are you going to build next? Go build that empire.